Alright guys, so first things first, I need to show y'all how I got this look, because this is something, right? I just threw it together, literally, I think it took like 30 seconds. So, and there's no bobby pins, there's no hair tie, there's nothing. It's literally just my hair. So, let's just undo this. So basically, what you want to do is take like your longer pieces, and you want to just put your hair up. Take the longer pieces and just wrap it. Wrap it around and then just tuck it in. Same with this side. You literally just want to take your longer pieces. And you want to just put the hair up. And you just want to tuck it in. And that's it. Like, for real. That's it. That's the easiest style and like the history of easy styles. Obviously you can convert this into space buns and like, you know, roll it around if you want, but I'm just gonna keep it like this for now because this is how I like it. Let me show you the back. But yeah, it's like so easy, right? Yeah, so that's how I got this look with literally no bobby pins and no hair tie, nothing.